Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Open the pixel app, select the import button, go to the gallery, select a photo, adjust the photo, and then select the import button, go to the gallery, select another photo, adjust the photo, remove the background, select the erase color, enable button on, adjust the photo. Then select the text option, edit by writing, select the size option, adjust the size, and then select the font option, adjust the font, change the color, select the color option, and then copy the letters to the copy option, change the color, select the color option, to back the letters to the to back option, save the letters to the save option, adjust the save confirmation. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.